Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is about get ready with me for a Barbie look. As we all know, Barbie makeup is recently so in trend and so hyper. To be honest, didn't plan to do one until I had a casual chat with my mom and was showing my mom on YouTube how people create a Barbie look. My mom looked at me and said, I think you're probably a little bit too old for this type of look, no? I was like, why? She said, oh, it's more suitable for, younger, cutie people or generations out there. I was just like, I think any age, as long as you like it, you have confidence to wear it, you can go with any makeup. For that reason, I decided to do a Barbie makeup inspired pink look for probably my age or even plus. I've done my base as I do my base makeup so many times with you guys, so I quickly skip that bit. Start from the brow. Today I will just try the new brow pencil. Got from the brand called Miss Wen. When you received it, it's been sharpened already, which I really like. It's very handy, isn't it, for most of us? Oh, I quite like it. It's very slim. Can you guys see the stroke? It's really slim. I like it. I'm going to use MAGGIE's contour palette. Going to use this nose contour color. Apply to the area where my puffiness are to really define my eye socket. The difference between contoured and not contoured. And also to contour the lower lash line. Extend it down. Use a small brush, dip into the matte highlighting powder to highlight the inner corner and draw a line up just to clear a little bit contour color over here. And use the same color to just gently brighten the under eye area, then to gently contour the face. If you are similar like myself, more Asian skin tones, I would recommend to go for contour palettes from Chinese or Asian brand, which are more designed for our type of skin tone. Okay, move on to the eye look. Today mainly going to use Juicy, this new collection. Are the color combinations, which is very Barbie in there. It's palette number 14. The main pink color in this palette is fairly light, so I'm going to use slightly stronger pink color. I got two options. One is from Tang, this new palette number 2, and the other one is from MAGGIE's blush. This one has a little bit like peach coral undertone, which is actually more friendly for my skin tone. This this one is really nice. When I swatch them together, you will see this one is from Tang palette, this one is MAGGIE's blush. Going to use the Tang, this one first. This color has good level of gray, therefore won't make your eyes puffy. Hence I will use for the entire eye socket. Besides we contoured already, so same color for the lower lash line. Then let's go into this lovely Barbie pink. Have this color more in the middle on your upper lid. Then have this color from the inner corner on your lower lash line to the middle of your eyeball. And then I'm going to apply this lovely pink shimmer. Once you had good pigment, surround your eyeball, then extend it up gently and spread it out a little bit. Faint it a little bit on your brow bone. Then we're going to use even lighter, more towards like silver pink. Highlight your inner corner again. And let's do the liner and wing first, then we finish the look. Then we're going to use MAGGIE, this blush, to gently apply the area at the outer corner. And then same color for the lower lash line. Focus on the outer corner, zigzag, and then extend it out slightly. This is just to gently extend the atmosphere of this look. Dip into the darker color to define the small triangle above your wing. Get it as closer to your lash line as possible. Just gently smudge out your wing. Like that. Apply the darker color gently. Like that. And when there is nothing left, and apply close to your waterline on your lower lash line. Like that, just to define the inner corner a little bit more. Then I'm going to wet a small brush. Dip into Tang, this one, to add the pigment above your wing. In your inner corner and over here as well. Added, without, add, without. Okay, we're almost done. Just to add a little bit of shading color. I look pretty much done. Apply a little bit the Tang eyeshadow instead. Gently apply this color on the lip, more towards the edge, so it's kind of enlarge my lip shape. Now I'm going to use the Red Chamber Multiple Cream, this color. But I still want a little bit of bling, so going back to this palette, going to apply this shimmer, pink shimmer color on my lip.
If you listen to the words I say, you know that I'm okay. You know it's just a phase. Don't think I'm leaving 'cause
Give you a closer look to the eyes. I personally feel this would suit me the best. Going to prove to my mom that who says I couldn't wear pink? Hope you liked today's video and hopefully you find this look somehow helpful. Of course, you don't have to use the eyeshadow palettes that I used, but hopefully give you some ideas as how you can also utilize the colors in your hand. If you like today's video, do click the like button and most importantly too, subscribe to my channel down here. I will see you on my next one.